Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Vivo X100 Pro with a cracked display, and David will fix it for us. So let's get right into it. So we have here a Vivo X100 Pro with the broken display, and as you can see, it's quite a regular damage that you usually see on cracked displays on a modern smartphone. And I think this is going to be a standard repair, and hopefully it's going to be a quick fix because we've seen this many times before, and David is just making it look easy when he's fixing it like a real pro. So first we'll remove the glass back cover. You can see that it's glass because it's very stiff, and you don't want to force it like a plastic back cover. So that's going to be important. We'll cut down the adhesive strips to loosen the back cover, let it go. And then we have here the replacement display. And I think the connector for the display is located on the corner near the daughter board. So we'll have to remove this cover. And you can see right away the connector for the display. So it's quite minimal operation. So we can test immediately if the replacement display is good or bad. We'll turn this on and it looks promising. See the Vivo logo, the Android logo, and it's booting up, thinking that it's got a new display. We'll wait for it to boot up. And there you go. Now you can use this smartphone even in this configuration. It's crazy. So we'll remove this now just for testing. We'll remove the SIM card tray. Very small tray. We'll detach this connector, and then somehow we will have to remove the daughter board so that the connector can be pulled out through the housing. So as you can see there, it's quite tight, it's bending, but we'll have to remove this and expose a channel so that we can pull it out later. So we'll have to remove this daughter board. There's lots of connections on this one, so we'll have to be extra careful not to damage this part. Right there. It's held on by the antenna cable. So right now we can remove the broken display. So we'll have to make gaps using our very thin pry tool. Put some alcohol on those gaps. It's pretty tight, so we'll have to be very careful not to damage the other components underneath the display. There you go. Slice through it. And there you go. It's gonna take a while. So we're not going to be reusing the display. It's going to be recycled soon. It's going to be disposed of properly. We'll just making sure we don't damage other things other than this display. So we know that there's only one connector, and that connector will be removed soon. You can see there, it's now delaminating. So you can see the glass. And I think the OLED panel underneath it. It's the same with your TV, to be honest. So you have the glass and then some display panels and the LED in one display assembly. So we have removed the glass, and now you'll also remove this copper part. So it's just held on by adhesive. No screws, no nails, just adhesive. It's just how smartphones are made. So we'll clean off this housing, and typical to a smartphone, when they are dropped and they hit the pavement or a hard surface, they can be dented on some corners, which is quite alarming. But here we make sure that we have a good mating surface for the new display. We remove the old adhesives, old shards of glass. Just make sure we have a clean surface right here, especially in the corners and on the sides where the display can be framed. And there's a tiny dent on that corner, so we'll file it off with our mini drill. You just have to be subtle with it. Both corners are dented, so we'll remove the burrs, and there you go. Make sure it's also clean. We'll put our liquid adhesive around it and install our display. So by watching it, you can definitely follow along, but if you're not technically inclined, you will not attempt this kind of repair. So if you're one of those people, you can just go to your local service technician, ask them to have a new display for your Vivo X100 Pro, or you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre if you don't have one in your area, or you can also mail it in to us. If you're not gonna visit Sydney anytime soon, you want this type of repair done to your device, just message David. If it's worth it for you to pay the shipping of your device, then we can definitely fix it here, and then we'll send it back to you after the repair is done. So we'll screw this in, and we're almost done. We'll test the buttons, the display, the Wi-Fi, and look at this mess. What happened? We'll have to retrack some steps and perform some diagnostics. Okay, we'll detach some things, and maybe there's a loose connection somewhere. Yep, this is just the reality. We'll not hide this from you. There you go. It's done. That's David there. No sweat at all. Just a real pro. If I do this, it will take me like half a day. So thanks for joining, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch more of our videos that we uploaded and will upload in the near future. And this is our fixed Vivo X100 Pro. Thanks for joining, guys. Till next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.